What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. This is my scary movie treats part 3. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
Alright, for this delicious treat, fam, these REESE pads, you're gonna need REESE cups, Oreo cookies, and hot ones. You're gonna pull your Oreo cookie apart, you're gonna scrape the cream out, break your cookie in half, and put the cream on your REESE cup, and put the broken cookie on your REESE cup, and add your eyes. Just make sure your bat don't fly away. Next, our peanut butter ghosts. You're gonna need white chocolate, milk chocolate, and other butters. Alright, first, you're gonna go ahead and melt your white chocolate. Add 1/3 cup of heavy cream, and you're gonna melt it down. Now you're gonna take your peanut butter cookie, and you're gonna drown it in the chocolate. Bring it over to your cookie sheet, and add your eyes. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer. Next, for our Lollipop Demons, you're gonna need milk chocolate, Oreo cookies, hot ones, and a stick. Alright, you're gonna add your milk chocolate. Then you're gonna add 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. And you're gonna melt it down to this. Next, you're gonna take your lollipop and you're gonna dip it inside your chocolate. We're gonna go over to our cookie sheet. And now, we're gonna add our eyes. Yes. Now, after this, we're gonna add our mouth. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer. Until then, quick facts.
What other countries celebrate Halloween? Outside the United States, people celebrate the holiday in unique ways. Ireland, Mexico, Italy, and Portugal are a few countries with Halloween time celebrations. You learn something new every day. Pretty cool.
Alright, fam. With our bat wings, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then we're gonna go ahead and sear our wings. Make sure they're clean. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip them over and let them sear on this side. Now we're going to remove our chicken. We're gonna add a teaspoon of ginger and crushed red peppers, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. We're gonna give this a nice mix, family. Ugh. Now we're gonna add 1/3 cup of zesty Italian, and we're gonna mix this in well. Smells good. Now we're gonna add back in our wings. And we're gonna let these cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're gonna flip these over and let these cook. Now, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Now we're gonna let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After we uncover, family, this is what we're looking like. Now we're gonna remove our chicken. We're gonna add 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of black food coloring. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Looks good. Now at this time, we're gonna grab our chicken wings and we're gonna smother them into the black sauce. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and let these cook for about 15 or 20 minutes, and then you're gonna pull them out. Next, our puking kabocha squash. All you're gonna need is flock chicken, kabocha squash, and Velveeta cheese. Alright, I do have a video out there on how to make homemade mac and cheese. If you wanna know, I'll leave it in the description below. However, today is about having fun and easy. So if you want to know how to make Velveeta box cheese, just go ahead and read the directions on the box. Alright, however, let's get to our kabocha squash. First, we're gonna go ahead and cut the top off of it. Yes. Then we're gonna go ahead and gut it out. Like this. How you like my face? Now we're gonna go ahead and make an open mouth so he can puke. How do you like my face? Alright, let's look at our table.
I have fun with this, you guys, and look, our kabocha squash is throwing up, our bat wings look beautiful, the table just looks beautiful. Well, hey, you guys, I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins and to our next adventure. Peace.